Hi everyone, and welcome back to another video. And I have a PR with Saviland, and this is their 3D sculpting gel, and I will be creating a nail design using their Polygel as well because I have that, and I'm going to be using their 3D sculpting gel to create a cutesy nail design. So we're going to go ahead and look in the box and everything. So it says it's rich in castor oil and vitamin E, and let's go ahead and open, get everything out. Okay, so that's everything in the box. All the ingredients are also on the back as well, with some instructions on how to apply, but it's covered by this. But you know, I'm sure that's all in here in the little booklet that came in the package. So we do get chrome powders, and we have the gold and the silver chrome powder, and it goes into detail on how to apply and everything. So if you want to read all of this, you can as well. Try and put this all back together and put it back in the box. And this is the Sculpting gel, and again, it has the ingredients, it has the direction, and it also has a warning on the back as well. And then let me go ahead and open this chrome powders. So we do have two, and we also get two swatch sticks to go with it. And then let's open this and take a look. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just squeeze a little out. Okay, and it does have a very, not a thick consistency, but somewhere along medium to thick, because as you can see, it's really not really moving at all. So yeah, so let's go ahead and get into the nail design. So I went ahead and prepped my Vita Bella practice hand, and we're going to be using Saviland Polygel for the enhancement, and this color is rainbow red. It's a very pretty red, which you guys will see in the end of this video or during the application. This is a, I won't say an old Polygel, but I do know Saviland has changed their bottles, and this is an old design bottle. So I think this is maybe a year old since I got this Polygel. I actually well, fun fact, I actually started off with Polygel, and Saviland was one of my top brand that I went to for my Polygels. They still are. The thing that happened was that, well, let me do it this way. Well, you know what happened was I decided to go ahead and get my nail license, and once I decided to get my nail license, I was introduced to acrylic powder, and ever since then I've been literally just using acrylic powder. But I am a Polygel baby, like Polygel, hard gel, Bilogel. That's where I started. I was using it for years, and then one day I was like, let me go get my nail license, and now I have acrylic. I have drawers upon drawers of Polygel, and I think I really need to start getting back into using my Polygels because they're just sitting there in the drawer. And yeah, so I think you guys are going to start seeing a lot more polygel enhancements from me come 2025, because I really need to get back into that, and the hard gel, because I also have a lot of hard gel, because as I said, that's where I started from. I didn't start with acrylic, I started with gels. So yes, go ahead and watch this nail design and I'll be back. So I'm going to be doing each nail like this. So because it's repetitive, I'm going to speed up the rest a little bit, but not by too much. So as always, before you start filing and shaping, you need to cleanse the nail with either some alcohol or some swipe. And once you do that, you can get into your filing and shaping, because you don't want to clog up your e-file or your hand file. So I'm going in with some matte. I decided to make these nails matte because of the design that I'm doing, and it's also, you know, a very cutesy nail design with the sculpting gel from Saviland and some charms. And of course I'm wiping the nails off again with some swipe, because I'm very paranoid that once I start using the chrome powder, it will stick to the nail, and I want to avoid that as much as possible. So I just wipe it off just to have an ease of mind. So I will be creating a line across the nail, and then I will be sticking a butterfly charm in the center of the sculpting gel, And once I cure, I'm gonna go in with silver chrome powder that was in the package as well. So let's go ahead and talk about the sculpting gel from Saviland. I actually really enjoyed using it. It was very easy to use. I like that it came in a tube form, so that way you can create your nail design with ease using the tube. And I also like the consistency of the gel, that it doesn't move around too much, if any. And I like the fact that it cures really fast. And not only do I like all of that, I like the fact that you also get 2 different color of chrome powder in the packaging, which is a plus. And the fact that it is a non-stick sculpting gel, it makes everything easier for you to use chrome powder to create your nail design. So once I've applied the chrome powder, I'm gonna go in with some top coat to protect the chrome powder. And then once I cure, I'm going to use some swipe to wipe away the excess chrome powder around the nail design to create the final look of the nail. And I want to say thank you, Saviland, for giving me this opportunity. And I absolutely enjoyed using your product, and I've always enjoyed using all your products over the years. And this sculpting gel is very efficient and easy to use, and I appreciate the fact that it's non-tacky on application once cured as well. And I want to say to everyone, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And Happy New Year, Happy Hanukkah, and Merry Christmas. And I will see you guys in the next video.
Children of light, and we will never let up, never giving up fight, yeah. We didn't make it through the night, yeah. Done the crawling on